Okay, so this is the new subscription manager. And just for those of you that do not know how to access this page, all you have to do is to go on your account menu here, your profile, and click on subscriptions, and then it will show up here. So we have all of your subscription grouped together based on where it's shipping to, where the payment options that you have. And so let's say this user that I have here has these subscriptions that include a Filigrate, a diamond bottle, and Signal. So all of those are tied together. They can see the total, and they can see the PV they're going to earn. They can see the card they have on file, the address is shipping to. And they also have other subscriptions, right? So this is their 3-month subscription that's underneath here. And then the first one I just showed you is their first monthly subscriptions. So let's go through each one of the functionalities that you do have here. So right off the bat, you can see when your next ship date or around the time where we will be able to send your next subscription out. If you wanted it today, instead of waiting until August 20th, then you can just click on here, right? Click that ship now button, put your CVV, and then confirm. If you decide, hey, I do want to skip this or delay it, you have the option to just click on that delay button, select how long you want it to delay by, and then just skip now, or if you change your mind, then you can just cancel. We've called out the change of flavor a lot more because that is one area where we had the functionality, but people just didn't know that they were there because they were hidden. So we just made it easier. So let's say for Feel Great, you want to change the flavor from, the lemon and raspberry pomegranate to orange. You can just make all those changes here. And you can just choose that. Actually, I'm choosing the same thing, mixed berry. And then save. And then you will update. Now, if you wanted to change the quantity, you could do that as well, just right here. Don't need to cancel or call customer service to make that change for you. Now, in this subscription, for the purpose of this demo, I've added a diamond bottle. Now, I don't know who wants a diamond bottle on the monthly subscriptions, but let's say you've added it by mistake, okay? And you decide, actually, I don't want it. You do not need to cancel your whole subscriptions and then make a new one. You can just go in here and remove that. And that should be removed from your subscription. So right there now, I only have a Feel Great and Signal. Now, let's say I have Signal and maybe I have some more of it, or maybe I want to swap Signal with the protein, with one of our other products. Actually, sorry. So I can just click that swipe product. Let's see, let's do everyday protein because I really like that. And I can select that. So this here tells me I'm removing Signal from my subscriptions and I'm adding this new item. There is information also here. I mean, it's similar, but then at least I know what the change is going to look like. It gives me my updated total and updated PV. And it tells me I won't be charged until that next run. Okay, let's confirm. Perfect. I'm feeling really good about these changes. But hey, let's say, Unicity just dropped the whole new product that I just have to have, and I don't want to go through the whole purchase journey. And I just want to add it right here, right? So I can just add new products. All of our products will show up here. And then I can just go and let's say I want to add Oasis. Going to select it. And you will tell me now I'm adding this additional item. This is my new total. And I'm going to confirm. Perfect. So these are a lot of options that we have added. Let's say, okay, I'm moving somewhere and I want to change my address. I can change it all right here. And for my credit card, let's say I want to use a different payment option. I can also change that right here. We do have a few options here, right? If you want to change a typical delivery date or ship date, there might be a change with that naming there, but If you do want to make that change, you can do that right here. Or let's say you are frustrated with this, right? Which a lot of people aren't, but you do have the option to also cancel subscription here. But a lot of the time, all people need is just a break because either they have too many products. So let's say you have someone that's reaching out to you and saying, "Hey, I want to cancel my subscriptions because I have too many products." They can just go in here and take a break. This feature here is really powerful and it will skip their next delivery. And he has so far saved about 80% of cancellations that were started. So I encourage you guys to really leverage this. And that is all I have for us today.